Good morning. Welcome back. The same topic, that is derivatives. So yesterday on this topic, exercise 5.3 questions were solved. So that was the derivative of inverse trigonometry functions. So today, after derivation of inverse trigonometry functions, so this was yesterday I had solved questions. So today, derivative of exponential functions. So this is here exercise 5.4. So in this exercise we will see how the exponential functions derivative, how we derivate an exponential function. Now question is, what is exponential function? So we have different type of functions. So this exponential function is a type of function whose value goes on increasing or decreasing. For example, if I write y equal to b raised to power x, where b is the base and x is the exponent. So this type of function we call as an exponential function. So in this case, if this x is variable, its value changes from 1 to onward. If I put the value of x as 1, b can be any, it can be 2, it can be 4, it can be 10, we can take any value of b. Suppose if I take value of b as 2 raised to power x, so this is an exponential function. Now if I put value of x as 1, so my point will be first x, y, that is 1, 2, and if I put value of x as 2, so point will be 2, 4, and similarly this, if these points, if I plot, so this plot will be an increasing function. Now if I take the value of x as minus x, so in this case this is also an exponential function. If I put value and so on, I will have the corresponding value for the y, and if I plot a graph, again this will be an exponential graph, but this will be in the opposite direction. This will be in upward direction, this will be in the opposite direction. So today I am going to show how we find the derivative of an exponential function. So this is the exercise in your book. It is 5.4 exercise. So let us see how we differentiate an exponential function. So there are 10 questions in this exercise. Question number 1. says e power x upon sin x. So this is a function, this is an exponential function, and I have to differentiate this function. So that y equal to e power x into sin x. So this is the function given to me whose derivative I have to find. So if I write differentiate with respect to x both the sides, so I will get dy upon dx, and this will be d upon dx of e power x into, now this e, it is a constant, Euler constant. Euler was a great mathematician. He found this value e. It is a value and it is a constant value. So this is e raised to power x. It is exponential function, whereas sin x, it is a trigonometric function. So it is a ratio of an exponential function and a trigonometric function. So here I will apply the formula u upon v derivative. This formula I had shown yesterday. So this is according to formula v square b u dash minus u v dash. So this formula is to be applied here. So this will equal to sin square x, here sin x into d upon dx of e power x minus e power x into d upon dx of sin x. So by applying the formula of the quotient rule for derivative, this is quotient formula, and this formula is applied here. So this will equal to sin x e raised to power x. So derivative of e raised to power x, it is e raised to power x. So this formula also I had shown. So it will remain as it is, minus time e raised to power x, and derivative of sin x, this is also known to you. It is cos of x. So I can write here cos of x, and in the denominator sin square x. Now I can take e raised to power x as common. So if I take this as common, so here I will have sin x minus cos x upon sin square x. So this is the value of dy upon dx is equal to e power x sin x cos x upon sin square x. So in this way, the derivative of the given function is to be calculated. So this was the first question of exercise 5.4. So next question I am going to take it is the second one of the same exercise, e raised to power sin inverse x. Again, this is an exponential type of function. So let e y equal to e raised to power sin inverse x. So this is exponential function, and I have to find its derivative. So again, differentiating with respect to x both sides. So dy upon dx will equal to d upon dx of e sine inverse x, e raised to power sine inverse x. So here the derivative of ex, it is known to you, same as it is. So its derivative will be e raised to power sine inverse x into d upon dx of this sine inverse x. So this will equal to e raised to power sine inverse x into its derivative. Yesterday I had given the 6 formulas, and derivative of sine inverse, this is known to you. So this is 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. So this can be written as e raised to power sine inverse x upon 1 minus x square. So derivative of the given function is equal to e raised to power sine x upon under root 1 minus x square. So in this way, this exponential function, its derivative is calculated. So next question of the same exercise. These are short type questions. You will be getting this type of question only 2 or 3 marks, not more than 2 or 3 marks. So then question is find the derivative of sine of tangent inverse e minus x. So this is a function given to you, and this is also a exponential function because e raised to power minus x is there. Tangent inverse e raised to power minus x. So it is again exponential function. So I have to find its derivative. So let this given function equals to y, or you can write it as fx. This will equal to tangent inverse e raised to power minus x, and sine is also there, sine of, and this can be written as f of x, one and same thing. So y equal to sine of tangent inverse e minus x. So differentiate with respect to x both sides. So this will dy upon dx, and this will be dx upon sine of tangent inverse e minus x. So this function is to be, its derivative is to be calculated. So d upon dx of sin x, this is cos x according to formula. So here then I will differentiate this. So it is sin, and this is the whole, as consider this as x. So it is sine of x. So this will equal to sine, its derivative is cos of the same angle, tangent inverse e minus x, into derivative of d upon dx of this angle, that is tangent inverse e minus x. So in this way I will write, now this will be cos of this angle into derivative of tangent inverse. Yesterday I had written 6 formulas of inverse trigonometric ratios, and this is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So derivative of this will be 1 here 1 upon 1 plus, instead of x square you will write e minus x its square, into again derivative of e raised to power minus x. So this will further equal to cos of tangent inverse e minus x into 1 upon 1 plus, if you multiply its whole square it will be e raised to power minus 2x, and its derivative will be e raised to power minus x into minus 1, because d upon dx of e minus x is equal to e minus x into derivative of minus 1, that is minus 1. So this will equal to cos of tangent inverse e minus x into 1 upon 1 plus e minus 2x into e minus x into minus 1. So this can be written as dy upon dx. I write this algebraic term as minus e minus x upon 1 plus e minus 2x and cos of tangent inverse e minus x. So this is the derivative of the given function. So in this way the derivative of this is calculated. So the next question of the same exercise, it is question number 6. I am going to take 6 questions. Sixth question says, find derivative of e raised power x, e raised power x square plus so on, and this is up to e raised power x power 5. So this is a exponential function. So I have to find its derivative. So let y equal to e power x square. Next will be ex cube. Its next term ex power 4 and ex power 5. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Now we have to find its derivative. So it is an exponential function, and these are the terms of exponential function. So differentiate with respect to x both the sides. Dy upon dx will equal to d upon dx of all these 5 terms. So e power x, ex square, ex cube, ex power 4 and ex power 5. So derivative of all the 5 terms. Now this can be written as d upon dx of e power x. Separate all the 5 terms plus d upon dx of ex square, the second term, and the third term derivative ex cube. Then next term d upon dx of ex power 4, and the last term its derivative d upon dx of e power 5. So these are the 5 terms. This is exponential, all are exponential function. So now e raised to power x, its derivative is e raised to power x. Its derivative will be e x square into derivative of x square, square of this. Here derivative of e x cube into derivative of x cube. In the same way, e x power 4 into derivative of x power 4, and lastly e x power 5 into derivative of x power 5. So in this way, individual terms, their derivative is written. So this can further be simplified. Now this is ex square. Its derivative of x square will be 2x simply. So I can write here 2x. Here ex power cube and derivative of x cube. Derivative of x cube, this is 3x square. So I can write here 3x square. Then ex power 4 into derivative of x4. D upon dx of x4. It is 4x cube. So here 4x cube, and the last term ex power 5 into derivative of x5. So this will be 5x4. So further ex. So this is written in this way. 3x square can written in this way. Then 4x cube here into ex power 4. Again this 5x 4 ex power 5. So in this way, d upon dx will equal to e power x, 2x ex square, 3x square, ex cube plus 4x cube into ex power 4, 5x4 and ex power 5. So in this way, the derivative of the given function is calculated. So this was question number 6 of this exercise. So there are two or three questions more, and this exercise is only having 10 questions. So next question is, it is also short question, question number 9 it is. Says find its derivative where x is greater than 0. So this is a function which is given and its derivative is to be found out. So let this equal to y. Now this is trigonometric function and this is logarithmic function. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx equal to d upon dx of cos x and log of x. So here I will have to use the formula u upon v derivative, that is the quotient formula. So this is v square v into u dash u into v dash. So this formula will be applied here. So this will equal to, this is u, this is v. So log of x its square using this formula, then log of x into d upon dx of cos x minus time cos x into d upon dx of log x. So I applied the formula, that is the quotient formula here. So this can further simplified, dy upon dx equals to log x its square, log x into derivative of cos x, it is minus sin x, then minus cos x into derivative of log x, it is 1 upon x. So if I further simplify this, I can write this as minus time sin log x sin x then minus cos x upon x, and it is log x square. So this can be written as, if I take LCM here, so x times sin x log x and minus cos upon, this can be written as 2 log x, and this x will be minus x sin x log x cos x upon 2x into log of x. So if I take minus outside, x sin x log x plus cos of x upon 2x log of x. This is the value of the derivative of the given function, which was cos of log x. So in this way, this question is to be solved. So the 10th question of this exercise, this is the last question, and with this exercise is finished. Derivative, you have to find cos of log x plus e raised power x, where x is greater than 0. So this is the last question, and this exercise is finished. I put this as y cos of log x e power x. This is exponential type of function. So differentiate with respect to x dy upon dx will equal to dx d upon dx cos of log x plus e raised to power x. So this will equal to cos derivative of cos x, it is minus sin x. So if I consider this as x, so its derivative will be minus sine of the same angle into derivative of this d upon dx of log of x plus e power x. So this will be this sine minus sine log x plus e x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x and e power x, it is e power x. So this is algebraic expression. I can write this as 1 upon x plus e power x, and minus sign also, this minus sine of log x plus e power x. So this is the derivative of the given function, that is cos of log x plus e power x. So this is minus time this. So this was last question. One more question of exponential function. Suppose if I have this type of function, so if I have to find its derivative, how can I find its derivative? So its derivative. I have to find its derivative. So if I write differentiate with respect to x both sides, dy upon dx will equal to this e power x, e minus power x upon ex minus this. So exponential function it is. So again the formula used here will be d upon dx of u upon v, or u upon v its derivative. So this is the formula. This was used in the previous question also, and here the same formula is to be used. So this will equal to its denominator ex, e minus x its whole square, then e x, e minus x as it is, and derivative of the numerator minus time e x, e minus x into derivative of this. I have applied the quotient formula. So this will equal to e x, e minus x time its derivative. So d upon dx of e power x, e power minus x, this will be equal to e power x will have the same derivative, and plus here e minus x will have same but minus 1, that is e x minus e minus x. So this is the derivative of this. So I will write here e x minus e minus x minus time e raised power x, e minus x into derivative of this. So if I calculate its derivative, so it will be e x plus e minus x upon e x, e minus x its square. So this will equal to, this is a, I can multiply this. So this multiplied by this will equal to e 2x, then plus e minus 2x minus time 2 e 2x e raised to power x into e raised to power minus x. So these are the three terms, and again if I multiply here, again it is e plus x, e minus x whole square. So this will be e raised to power 2x, e raised to power minus 2x, and plus 2 times e power x, e power minus x upon e power x, e minus x its whole square. So 3 terms are here, 3 terms are here. So this will equal to e raised to power 2x, e raised to power minus 2x minus time 2 e x into e minus x minus time this e raised to power 2x minus time e raised to power minus 2x, and minus plus and minus, it will be minus 2 times e x, e minus x upon e x, e minus x its whole square. So this is e raised to power 2x positive and negative, they will cancel each other. Positive e raised to power minus 2x, e raised to power minus 2x negative, so they will cancel. So this is minus time 4 e raised to power x into e minus x upon e x e minus x its whole square. So this can e raised to power x into e minus x. This is ex into 1 upon ex. That is, this is 1. So this will equal to minus sign 4 upon ex e minus x whole square. So this is the value of the derivative of this function, that is dy upon dx is finally equal to minus 4 upon ex minus e minus x its whole square. So in this way the derivative of this exponential function is calculated. So for tomorrow, today derivative of exponential function is solved. This is a questions. So next is the derivative of logarithmic functions. So this is an important exercise which I am going to take tomorrow. So you will get 6 marks question in your annual examination from this exercise. So it is logarithmic differentiation. So this will be taken tomorrow. For today this is sufficient. You will revise these questions and you will get the notes of these questions in later days. So for today this is sufficient. So tomorrow I am going to take logarithmic differentiation. So till then it is okay.